Hey Joakim, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amazement right here, and basically what this is a glass mixing bowl set. You can see it from this brand right here, and this is what the product looks like when you guys first get it. So basically for this set they give you guys 4 different bowls. There's a 4 quart, 2.5 quart, 1.5 quart, and a 1 quart option. And in the front right here, they provide guys some of the specs and features on here. So they mention how it has a secure lid for storing or taking food on the go. They mention how the product is oven safe, microwave safe, dishwasher safe. And because the actual product is like glass, there won't be any stain or odor compared to like plastic or silicone material. And the way how they design the product allows you guys to use it for any type of lid that they have. But this is the one that they provide for you guys that's labeled for each one of them. And I also want to mention for the product, it does allow you guys to put it in the fridge or the freezer as well if you guys do want to. And one thing that I actually mentioned on here is the fact that when you guys do use it, you don't want to mix like hot and cold stuff like instantly. So if you guys put like hot water and all of a sudden you guys put cold water on here, you don't want to do that. So you basically want to put only like hot stuff or only cold stuff at once, or let it kind of cool down first to normal temperature before you guys add more stuff on top. But here is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, this actually looks like inside. Let me actually take everything out and put it on the table to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so let's take everything out. So right here we have the 1 quart. Here we have the 1.5 quart. Here we have the 2.5 quart. And last but not least, we have the 4 quart right here. And right underneath that, we do have all different lids. And they also provide you guys like a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it and how to maintain it. But basically, if you guys can see on the lid, they do label 1 quart on here, so that way you know which one's for which. So this one will go there. This one will go for this one. This one will go here. And this one will go for this one. So once you guys put your stuff inside, you guys can seal it back up like this. And it's all set. Same thing applies to the other one as well. And the way how they design the product, it allows you guys to stack them up together if you guys want to as well, like this. So once you guys fully set it up, here is basically what the product looks like, from small to big. 1 quart, 1.5, 2.5, and 4. So like I mentioned, for the top part right here, we see it labels 1 quart, and it says 950 milliliters, and it do have a brand logo on top. So here is basically what the product looks like when you guys do take it out. Now let's do a quick leak-proof test to show you guys whether or not the product is actually leak-proof or not, and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so for the leak-proof test, I'm gonna use the 1 quart to test it out. So I want to open up the lid, and want to pour some water in. That should be good. Close it back up. Make sure it's fully sealed. Now let's pour the water out and see whether or not it's actually leak-proof. So you can see how some of the water does leak out, so it's not fully leak-proof. You can see. So if you guys do end up putting liquid in here, the water will leak out. So you definitely want to try to not add water in here if you guys don't need to. But if you guys have to, then probably put like a layer of like saran wrap underneath it or inside this lid, so that way it can prevent a little bit of the liquid from coming out. And then obviously if it's the first time using the product, you do want to wash it before you guys use it, so that way you guys know the product is clean before you guys actually use it. Alright, so now that you saw the quick leak-proof test, you can definitely see the product is not leak-proof. So if you guys do end up putting like liquid stuff in here, that is something to kind of consider. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's still pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these, especially if you guys want to put other stuff, not just liquid in here, maybe like salad, or if you guys want to use it for baking or anything else. However you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys, but I definitely have to say that it's still pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.